Imagine that you have a business like this one, and you sell a service, a digital product, or a mentorship. Somebody buys from you, and you have a new client. But what are you going to do next? So for that reason, I create the client onboarding automation plus an Airtable CRM. So let me explain. You sell a service, a client buys from you, and this information, your client's information, is going straight to an Airtable CRM. Airtable is like Google Sheets or Excel, but in steroids. It's way, way better. I'm going to show you in a few seconds. And the onboarding process is going to start. After the purchase, you are going to send them a thank you email. And after this email, after like you can adjust this. But for me, after this thank you email, after 4 or 5 minutes, you send a next steps email. Why this is important? Because a good onboarding solves three main problems. The buyer's remorse, that when somebody send you money, no matter how good your sales process is, this is going to create a buyer's remorse. And your goal is to minimize buyer's remorse ASAP as soon as possible. And a good onboarding is going to help you with this problem, to solve this problem. Another problem, client expectations. One of the biggest issues in all service businesses is managing the client expectations. So your goal is to give the client all the information they need upfront, so you guys are on the same page. This is so, so important. Also, when you deliver the product, they will be satisfied when you deliver what you say you were going to deliver. Okay, so they have all the information they need. And finally, the basics of the logistics, where you need to maintain your client informed about the next steps. So this Airtable, I create this CRM, is quite simple. Here we have the client, so the business name, the client name. Here you need to put the email and also the status. So you have the onboarding process, the discovery call, kickoff call, okay, a lot of things. Usually the first call is always the discovery, is where you start the interaction with the new or potential client and you share some values, some experiences, and see if you guys can work with each other and if it's a win-win situation. And as you can see here, the onboarding email is to do because you didn't send them anything. Discovery call is successful. So you are going to click done and the automation is going to start running. This means that if the discovery call is successful, you are going to receive money from them and you are going to have a new client. And this automation is going to start running. So this Airtable, when a record matches condition, so if done is check, we're going to update a record, we're going to update another record, and we're going to run a script. This is the most important thing. As you can see here, this HTTPS hook, this is a webhook, and this is going straight to make.com. That is the software that we use to create these automations. We go back to make.com. Here is the automation. And as you can see here, 327. Okay, this one is this one. And it was successful. So we received the webhook, the information from the webhook. As you can see here, okay, we have the information. For example, Pepe, client name, the client SystemPartners AI. And we send a thank you email. So for example, thanks for taking care of the invoice so promptly. Being happy that we get the chance to work together. Okay, this is very, very important. Looking forward to chatting and appreciate your business. So let's go to the email. Let's see if we have that. Okay, here on Gmail. Hello, hello. There we go. There we go. Okay, hi Pepe. Thanks for taking care of that invoice. I will send you onboarding instructions plus a calendar. Excellent. Let's see the next steps. Oh, okay, hello. Next steps. Hi Pepe, just following up on my last email. Our next step is booking an onboarding call. Okay, automation service are often involved in a number of platforms. credential sharing. I usually take care of all of that. So they need to book an onboarding call. And here, if you click the link, it's going straight to your Calendly. As automation, it can be really good if you use it properly. And let's get it.